In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add harmonic pattern detection in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you've got a chart open for the market you want to analyze. It can be any market or any time frame. The process will be exactly the same. Once your chart is open and you can clearly see the price candles, we're ready to bring in the harmonic pattern tools. At the top of your TradingView chart, look for the Indicators button. This is usually near the middle or left side of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and add almost any tool available on TradingView. Inside this window, you'll see a search box at the top. Click on that search box so your cursor is active there, and then type in Harmonic Pattern or Harmonic Pattern Detection. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results below in real time. You'll see a list of indicators that match what you typed. Look for a harmonic pattern detection tool that fits what you're looking for, such as Automatic Harmonic Pattern Detection, and click on it once to add it to your chart. After you click it, the indicator will load right away on your chart. You should start to see harmonic structures appear directly on the price action, where the tool detects valid patterns. Depending on the specific script you choose, these might include patterns like Gartley, bat, butterfly, and others, each drawn with labeled points on your candles. If you want to customize how these patterns look or fine-tune the detection rules, hover over the name of the harmonic indicator at the top left of your chart and click on the settings icon. Here you can adjust colors, visibility, and sometimes parameters like the minimum pattern size or which specific harmonic patterns you want to display. Take a moment to play around with these settings so the chart looks clean and easy for you to read. To get access to all the advanced tools and the best performance, I highly recommend using TradingView Pro. If you're interested in upgrading, check out my affiliate link in the description. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and unlocks more charts, more alerts, and a smoother overall experience while running indicators like harmonic pattern detection. That's all you need to do. Open Indicators, use the search box, add your harmonic pattern detection tool, customize it to your liking, and you're ready to analyze the market using harmonics inside TradingView Pro.